This week we've been learning how to add and subtract within 1,000. We've learned how to do that on the number line. We've also learned how to decompose. Today we're going to think more so in our heads. We're going to do some mental math to make some more friendly numbers. So we have a word problem here. It says, Roddy is reading a book that has 400 pages. He has read 198 pages so far. How many more pages does he need to read to finish the book? This is the total number of pages here. This is how many he's read. And I want to know how many more there are. So I know that this is a difference problem or a subtraction problem. My equation is going to be 400 minus 198, and that's going to equal something. I know that 198 is only 2 away from 400. So if I did 400 minus 200, that would be a difference of 200. This, though, is 2 less than that, or 2 further away. So that's going to be 202. So I made that number friendly, but you can't forget that since this was 2 less, our difference is going to be 2 more. All right, so that's how you can make numbers friendly. Anytime that you're close to 100 or a 10, think about in your head how you could make those numbers more friendly.